Is your mind truly your own? Or are there unseen forces lurking in the shadows, waiting to take hold? Since the dawn of time, humans have been fascinated by the mysteries of the mind and the terrifying possibilities of obsession and spirit possession. Manly P. Hall, a scholar of esoteric traditions and a master of unlocking the secrets of the human psyche, explored these concepts in his lecture on obsession and spirit possession. Hall's lecture offers profound insights into the hidden forces that can influence our thoughts, emotions, and even our actions. But what exactly are obsession and possession? How have these concepts been understood throughout history and across different cultures? Obsession, as Hall defines it, is the control of the conscious faculties by an external force, a concept with roots in ancient beliefs about demonic entities. Possession, on the other hand, can also arise from within, when fragments of our own personality take control, leading to a disintegration of the self. This internal struggle for dominance is often depicted in literature and art. Take, for instance, Robert Louis Stevenson's The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, a chilling portrayal of a man battling his own darker impulses. Or consider the psychological thriller Psycho, where Norman Bates' fractured psyche leads to horrifying consequences. Hall emphasizes the importance of recognizing and addressing these internal struggles to maintain a healthy and integrated sense of self. But how can we distinguish between genuine psychic phenomena and the symptoms of mental imbalance? Hall acknowledges the challenges, urging us to seek wisdom and discernment. He suggests that many cases of apparent possession may actually be rooted in psychological disturbances, such as dissociative identity disorder, schizophrenia, or other forms of mental illness. Take the case of William Blake, the visionary artist and poet of the Romantic era. Blake claimed to see visions throughout his life, which he incorporated into his artwork and writing. While some may interpret his experiences as symptoms of mental illness, others recognize them as genuine expressions of his creative genius and spiritual insight. Blake's case challenges us to consider the diverse spectrum of human experience and the potential for psychic abilities to manifest in unique and extraordinary ways. However, Hall cautions against the dangers of seeking spiritual enlightenment without proper guidance and preparation. Dabbling in the occult or engaging in misguided practices can leave individuals vulnerable to negative influences and psychic harm. He stresses the importance of developing a strong sense of self, cultivating positive habits, and seeking guidance from trusted sources to safeguard one's mental and spiritual well-being. Hall reminds us that the power to overcome obsession and possession ultimately lies within ourselves. By cultivating self-awareness, integrating our conscious and unconscious minds, and strengthening our inner resolve, we can resist negative influences and achieve a state of psychic wholeness. He encourages us to embrace a holistic approach to well-being, recognizing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, and spiritual health. So, how can we fortify our minds against unseen forces? Practice self-reflection, cultivate positive habits, and seek guidance from trusted sources. Remember, your mind is your most sacred temple. Protect it